Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour with AI. Digital theft is evolving beyond code into physical delivery chains. The FBI has linked a $220,000 cryptocurrency heist targeting 8 Steam games to a sophisticated operation involving Bitcoin-funded gift cards and Uber Eats deliveries. This case highlights a critical vulnerability in wallet security where digital assets are rapidly converted into tangible goods. The convergence of crypto theft and gig economy logistics creates a new frontier for law enforcement. Investors should note that while the immediate market impact is contained, the method signals a broader trend in asset liquidation. Meanwhile, macroeconomic signals in emerging markets are shifting. Turkey's inflation rate dropped to 32.1% in June, marking a significant deceleration in price pressures. This data point is prompting calls from Zayed for selective financing strategies to sustain this disinflationary trend. As global geopolitical risks reshape economic priorities, Turkey's policy shift offers a potential model for other emerging economies struggling with currency volatility. The decline suggests that monetary tightening measures are beginning to bite, though sustained progress remains uncertain. On the macro front, the U.S. labor market presents a complex picture. The number of Americans outside the labor force has hit a record high of 105.8 million. This figure surpasses the peak seen during the 2020 pandemic, indicating hidden weakness in the broader economy. While headline employment numbers may appear stable, this record exodus suggests structural issues in workforce participation. Analysts are closely watching this metric as a leading indicator for consumer spending power and long-term economic growth potential in 2026. In related news, Saudi Tadawul closed lower despite a surge in oil prices. The Tadawul All-Share Index fell 0.03% to 10,716.82 as oil prices spiked 4.48% following U.S. strikes on Iran. This divergence highlights the decoupling of energy costs from local equity performance. Sector breadth was weak, with 190 decliners outweighing the gainers. However, individual corporate performance remained strong. Mobily reported an 11.5% profit surge, posting SR 1.78 billion in H1 earnings. First Avenue also secured SR 100 million in financing, demonstrating that selective credit availability persists even in a bearish market environment. Looking ahead to today's release, the economic calendar is notably quiet with no major high-impact data points scheduled for the next 36 hours. Traders are likely to focus on geopolitical developments and corporate earnings rather than macroeconomic surprises. The absence of key indicators means market movements will be driven by sentiment and external shocks rather than domestic data. Investors should prepare for continued volatility in energy-linked assets while monitoring labor force trends for signs of deeper economic fatigue. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour with AI for daily market intelligence.